How to restore messages on WhatsApp on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, find and tap on chats as shown, and then proceed to chat backup to view your current backup status. This page shows details of your last iCloud backup. A recent backup is required to restore your chat history. Once you've confirmed your backup, return to the home screen and delete the WhatsApp app. Press and hold the WhatsApp icon, select Remove App at the very top, and tap on Delete App to confirm. Finally, open the App Store, search for WhatsApp. Reinstall the WhatsApp from the App Store and then you will be able to restore all your chats. Following these steps, you can easily restore messages on WhatsApp on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.